Hi, this is Chris with Pilot Savvy Video. I'm the owner of Pilot Savvy. In this video, I'm going to do a quick and dirty demo of a solder mat that I purchased from Amazon. It is a KZ, Kaisi S130 solder mat for the price of $9.69. So the reason I got it is because the last time I did some soldering, I did some damage on the tabletop that I was using, and I want to eliminate that issue. So I went and picked up a mat here, and I'm going to demo it. So what I have here is I'm going to tin some wire and using this mat. So I'm going to position this here. I don't have a tripod and everything set up, so I'm going to use my handy dandy power supply as a extra set of hands, and it just so happen to be a good height. So I have flux that I use, that I purchased there. This is the flux I use. I went ahead and dipped the wires down into it. So SRA flux. And in addition to, I have some Radio Shack resin core solder. So, and I have a Radio Shack what's that, 100-watt solder gun that I'm going to use. Heats up really quick. I like it. So again, I'm freeing my hands up. Now I'm going to actually turn this the other way. There we go. Hold that down. Put some heat to it. Once it heats up. Okay, you see it's kind of smoking now. I'm going to go ahead and touch this. Goal here is just to heat it up, to tin it. I notice you hear in the background. Alright, that's one. I think I messed that up a little bit. Here's the other one. I'll try not to press down as hard. Just want to touch it enough to get it hot. And get it to cooking. Or you can just touch it. There we go. So that looks better than the first one. So let's look at the damage done. So set the gun aside, set the solder aside. And one of the things I discovered here is actually has a good cleanup. So that's some resin there that would normally bind to the wood desk surface or whatever surface you're using, plastic, whatever. This mat makes it extra easy to clean up. As you see, it's gone already, and I don't see any noticeable damage to the mat. So it looks like it performed as advertised. So this is one. I'm not getting commission on it or anything, but I recommend this mat. It's S130 solder mat. You can find that on Amazon. And again, this is Chris. Thank you for tuning in. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to make a comment, go ahead and leave a comment. And if you want to be notified of any future videos that I produce, and I try to put one out at least once a week, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye now.